We got a quick tip for you today. We're installing one of these battery disconnect switches, which requires drilling mounting holes. Now, the problem is these holes in the actual switch are too big to get a Sharpie or a pencil or anything through, and the manufacturer doesn't include any kind of a template. So they've got measurements so you can measure and mark out, but it may not be 100% accurate. You could get things a little crooked or something like that. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick template using the packaging material. Now we got two options for this. The first one is using this piece of cardboard and just setting our switch on it, lining it up so that it's square to an edge, then taking a drill and there you have a ready-made template with 4 holes aligned to this side and this side, so you can just line this up wherever you want, and as long as it's square how you want it, you've got a perfect template. But another option is, because of the packaging that this came in, it's got this little square cutout where this fit right in, so you can set that in there, and that is exactly where it sits. Then just look from the back side and drill your holes through the plastic. Then, with that drilled out, wherever you set that square is exactly where the switch itself will sit. So that way, whether you're installing a disconnect switch on your boat, your truck, your car, whatever it is, you can make sure that it is mounted somewhere where it's going to look good, be nice and square, and have all the measurements done without lifting a finger, more or less. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching.